So hey everyone, happy Saturday.
Happy Saturday.
So we're gonna find a Walmart.
Let's zoom in. What's that called?
A electric kettle.
What's it for?
Boiling water.
Oh, so how might you use that?
So you take the lid off.
Oh, let me get closer so we show everybody. Okay.
Then put water in here.
Okay. You're putting it on this little stand. I'm gonna walk around you, Sadie. Okay, and it's got this little eye thing, right? Okay.
And I'll put this back on.
Putting the lid back on?
Yep.
Okay, and then what do you do?
Cut it on.
There's a little switch there.
Yep. See, it's boiled fast.
Oh, okay, and it lights up to let you know it's on.
Yeah.
Excellent.
So it's almost like my mom's coffee maker.
Almost, yeah.
Yeah. So we went to Walmart because then
This is going to be good for what?
we're boiling water pot. Like
Huh.
tea.
Tea and, yeah, and pasta.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know what I love about it? So you don't have to fill up the pan and walk it across.
Yeah, and it's so dangerous.
Right, which is very dangerous. Yeah, and then you don't have to walk it back. It's all right here.
Yeah.
Let's see how fast it takes to boil.
So, and tonight for supper,
What are you doing tonight?
I'm doing lasagna, but Emily told us that.
Are you doing an easy lasagna?
Yeah.
Oh, can't wait for that.
But
Oh, look, it's already boiling, Sadie. Look,
so yeah, and Mom was using my phone.
that's great. And just for everybody, while we're waiting for it to boil, we got this at Walmart, right? This is a Chefman brand electric kettle. The only concern I had about it really was that it seemed a little bit heavy, but I think we're going to work through that. And it's got all these little different features on it. One touch, cordless kettle, which some of them had the cord actually coming out of the kettle. So I like that for this one. The lid turns multiple ways, has LED lights, so you know it's on. And the best part is it has auto shut off for safety. Love that. So, oh, can you hear it?
Yep. So it's gonna be great for tea.
Yeah, tea. We like hot tea sometimes, right? Especially in the winter.
Oh yeah, but now it's summer.
We like cold tea.
And I put my sweet stuff in it.
Yeah, your little sugar-free.
Yes, I do
your
not.
sweetener.
I do not unsweet.
Look at that.
So
This is a
thumbs up.
thumbs up, yeah. So hopefully it'll work for your pasta.
Yeah.
We'll let everybody know.
Yep.